CoLab is a collaborative and agile engineering company for the manufacturing sector, and we're headquartered here in Newfoundland with pretty much our entire team of 30 here. Right now we've started focusing predominantly inside of ocean tech, automotive, and the defense industry. We were actually the first Y Combinator company in Atlantic Canada ever, and this year we're excited to be working with global companies all over the world, from some of the most innovative Fortune 500s to amazing startups and growing companies here in Newfoundland. What we do in simplest form is you look at teams trying to transform into these digital twin enterprises or a model-based enterprise. So we help them set that foundation for being lean and agile, and stepping them from the 2D world into 3D to then having a full model-based definition so that they can actually fulfill these longer-term goals as a company. Within the Supercluster, CoLab's role is sort of a little unique because we can work with pretty much any of the members. Anyone who is building something physical has similar problems that we're trying to solve. Each one of those has a very similar development profile, where right now they're trying to focus on reducing costs, automating pieces where they can just focus on building the best product possible. So for us, I think our initial role is bringing some energy into that space to say, hey, with these new projects, with this new way of work, how can we work smarter? I think the biggest benefit right now of the Ocean Supercluster is honestly this energy around unlocking future roadmap. I think we're in this weird place in 2020 where a lot of things got parked, and the Ocean Supercluster is kind of taking that parking brake off and saying, hey, those things we want to do in the future to get where we want to be, let's actually look at that. Let's be serious about that. So for us, it's allowed us to go find some amazing companies within the Supercluster. Genoa, for example, relatively small company still on a global scale, but growing like crazy. We see companies all over the world, and I would argue they're one of the most innovative companies that we work with globally. So why not have a full ecosystem partner with them? I think by having this project in place, finding these partners, we can actually pull that forward in like 6-12 months, which in the life of a startup is a huge window. So it's a pretty exciting opportunity for us. The initial projects will be a short-term win. It's going to be the results that come out of that is what changes the game for the industry.